Saint Aloysius Gonzaga was an Italian Jesuit seminarian known for his deep faith, purity, humility, and dedication to God from a young age. Born into a noble family, he chose a life of service and joined the Society of Jesus despite opposition from his family. During a severe plague outbreak in Rome, Aloysius devoted himself to caring for the sick and dying in the course of the service. He contracted the disease and passed away at the age of 23. His selfless love and commitment to others made him a model of Christian charity. He was canonized in 1726 and is honored as the patron saint of youth, students, and Christian living. His life continues to inspire young people to pursue holiness, compassion, and service to others.
Aloysius Gonzaga, the patron of all youth, the shining star of grace and love. Oh, holy saint, guide every step we take. Saint Aloysius Gonzaga, the patron of all youth, the shining star of grace and love. Oh, holy saint, guide every step we take. You overcame the challenges in your life by following the life of Jesus Christ. Your faith in Christ was unwavering. Oh, holy saint, be our guide. Saint Aloysius Gonzaga, the patron of all youth, the shining star of grace and love. Oh, holy saint, guide every step we take. A humble soul, a servant true, with heart so kind and pure. You showed us how to love and serve in body, mind and soul. Help us to find God in all things. Help us to find the love for Christ, carrying the values of Jesus with us and being the children of God.